So today we will discuss the splitting of S2. There is a lot of confusion on this very topic. So the first question is why there is splitting of S2. Now the answer to this question is we know that there is no splitting of S1 usually. Why? Because the mitral wall and tricuspid wall, they closes at the same time. There is no delayed closure of any of these two walls. What happens in the S2? There is normal physiological splitting of S2. S2 consists of two things, the A2 and the P2. A2 is due to the aortic closure and P2 is due to pulmonic closure. But there is a slight variation in closing of the two walls. Now the reason being is that the A2 closes earlier, P2 closes late. Why? Because the P2 closure is delayed. Now why there is the delay closure of P2? Because we know that closure occur after the ventricle becomes empty. The left ventricle empty quickly, so the aortic wall closes quickly. The right ventricle closes, the right ventricle empties slowly. So if there is a delayed or slow emptying of the right ventricle, so the closure of pulmonic wall is also delayed. So we are having the splitting of S2, that is due to the delayed closure of pulmonic wall, and that delayed closure of pulmonic wall is due to delayed emptying of the right ventricle. That is the reason for the normal split of S2. Why there is splitting on inspiration as compared to expiration? Because on inspiration there is increased venous return. When there is increased venous return, what happens? The right ventricle fills more. If it fills more, it closes more, it empties more slowly. So as compared to the expiration, during inspiration there is more venous return. If there is more venous return, there is more filling of the right ventricle. If there is more filling of the right ventricle, there is more delay emptying of the right ventricle. If there is more delay in the emptying of the right ventricle, so there is more delay in the closing of pulmonic wall. So there is split during inspiration. So there is a fixed splitting of S2. The fixed splitting of S2 mean there is no variation on inspiration and expiration. Well, that is seen in the ASD. Usually in the atrial septal defect, what happens? The blood flow from the left atrium, it enters into the right atrium and it enters to the right ventricle. Again, the right ventricle is filling more. If it is filling more, it will take more time to empty. If it takes more time to empty, there will be split. But that the blood coming from the left atrium to the right atrium is the same both on inspiration and expiration. So the split is actually the fixed split. That's why in HDV we see the fixed splitting. Then the another is the wide splitting of S2. Now anything that would cause a problem in the right ventricle, that would cause the wide splitting, because the if there is a pathology in the right ventricle, so it will take more time to empty. So any condition that cause right ventricular hypertrophy, that would cause wide splitting of S2. Now there is another phenomenon that is called paradoxical splitting. The paradoxical splitting means normally we are having A2 P2 A2 P2 A2 P2. Now what happens in the paradoxical splitting? The P2 duration remain the same, but it is the A2 that is delayed. P2 A2 P2 A2 P2 A2 P2 A2 P2 A2. The A2 is delayed due to a problem in the left ventricle, such as left ventricular hypertrophy, left bundle branch block. So any problem that occurs on the left side would cause paradoxical splitting. P2 A2 P2 A2. Normal is A2 P2 A2 P2 A2 P2, and paradoxical splitting is P2 A2 P2 A2 P2 A2. So if a question says a patient is having splitting on expiration, but the splitting disappear on inspiration, what is the answer? Usually the splitting is on inspiration. That we already discussed the why. So if the splitting disappear on expiration, the answer is paradoxical splitting. The answer is paradoxical splitting, and that occur in the left ventricular problem. Why it disappear? Because the A2 is delayed. We know that usually it is A2 P2 A2 P2, but in the paradoxical splitting we are having P2 A2 P2 A2. The A2 is delayed. What happens on deep inspiration? On deep inspiration, the P2 also become delayed and it superimposed with the A2 sound. Normally we are having A2 P2, the P2 is delayed. But when A2 is delayed, what happens on deep inspiration? The P2 is also delayed. So the P2 superimposed with the A2. So if the question says there is a splitting that disappears on the deep inspiration, this is paradoxical splitting, because the P2 is delayed, the A2 was already delayed, and now due to deep inspiration the P2 is also delayed. So the delaying of the P2, it occurs above the A2. So the splitting disappears.